Okay, in this video we are going to learn how to use the Zerys title suggestion tool to give you ideas to come up with some great titles for your documents. Okay, so I'm on my project dashboard. I'm going to go into one of our projects here I got going, and this is now the planning and the ordering screen. I have a couple titles down here, but let's say I want to add some more titles and I just want to get some ideas. What you can do is come up to our title ideas tool here and use this to brainstorm, just to find out what's trending out there, what's hot, what are people writing about right now and that seem to be performing well out on the web. Now I already have a keyword list that I've built. I got like 5 keywords in there. That could be 500, that can be 1,000, whatever, but you can build your list over time. And what's cool is when I put my cursor in here, my keyword list shows up here, because these are probably the main keywords and topics that I'm going to want to be writing about and that I want to get title ideas for. So I can just choose one of these. I'll choose Content Marketing Plan. And then I hit Submit, and it's going to do a search and look for other titles out on the web that seem to be performing well, just to give me ideas on titles I might want to create. So obviously we say up here, these are actual documents other sites have written, so we don't want to just take them as is. It's really just for brainstorming. But if you see titles you do like, you can click on them and it'll start adding them to your list down here. And that way you can build up a list and click down here to add them, and it goes ahead and adds them right to the bottom of your list of titles here. Okay. Again, you definitely want to come in here and edit these to make them unique, change them around so that they're all unique. And that's it. Whenever you're ready, you can of course just select over here and place your order.